How we doing today, sir? Hey, good to see you. My name's Jeremy, and you are? The folks out there mentioned that you're a farmer. I tell you what, I grew up a farm kid, man. Growing up, it's a lot of work, but really makes you who you are, right? I know my grandpa and my dad and a lot of the old boys, you know, they're not real talkative. You must be one of those guys, huh? Anyways, so the guys were telling me you wanted to maybe sell your truck. See some rust coming through, things like that. Did you put these tires on? 1984, it looks like. Do you mind if I take a peek under the hood, or not? I mean, I guess you drove it here, right? My engine must be fine. Looks like it's got 2 fuel caps on it, but I only see 1 tank. Oh, there's one in the bed. Okay. Oh yeah. Did you must have made that tank yourself in the shop then? Well, no, it's none of my business. I'm just curious. Looks like a nice job. You must have an idea what you're hoping to see out of it then, right? Okay, well, how about I go first? I mean, I don't know. We see trucks like this, you know, with the rust on them and stuff. You're probably, I mean, are you thinking like 10, maybe 15,000? 20? Man, I'm trying to work with you here. You don't have any idea, huh? You don't. I mean, if I got to 25, I'm get as close. Well, I guess all I can do is go talk to my manager and see what I can do for you. I'll be right back. All right, sir, I think I got some good news. Talk to the sales manager. He's willing to write a check for this baby today. $26,000. What do you say? Or I suppose you need to think about it. All right, well, nice talking with you.